A new week, day 56. Not actually really much to check today because it was a Juneteenth holiday in America, federal holiday celebrating the emancipation of slaves. Just shouldn't have to celebrate that to begin with. So latest candle is still Friday. This is 3M we're looking at, and we did get into the trade in the after hours. There it is, way up there. The widespread caught us in. Even though all the individual stocks were closed today, the actual index was still going. Didn't get into the stop trade that we set Friday, but it is getting close. So there's a good chance if the market does go green tomorrow that we'll see ourselves into that one. But as all these other individual charts are closed, we'll just leave it there and come back tomorrow. Day 57, pretty good day. Pretty good. Coca-Cola, that's up past the entry price. About 1% to the good. 3M, we are a bit down on this one still, but much better than it was before. This was the close before the weekend, and we looked all but set to hit the stop loss. Now, well, maybe we can see a green day for one. It's the lowest it's been for a while, that's for sure, since the COVID crash. Home Depot managed to end up in this trade exactly at the open at 11:30 for the pre-market there. You can see where we got into the trade at that moment up here. 2.5% from price at the time. That's how it goes. And we did get into our Dow trade as well, and I don't think I got the risk quite right because we are $500 up at the moment. That's with only about 0.5% to the good, but we do see the awesome oscillator turn now. Could be moving in with a second wise man here in the next couple of days. So it could have been a lot worse today. We'll take it, and we'll check the other 27. That Merck trade would have been strong now. Cut the cord too soon on this one from the way it's looking. On American Express, and we are seeing quite a few charts build up now where the first awesome oscillator bar has turned to the good. Positive signs for a lot of these stocks. Big green for United Health today. Whoosh, 6%. We'd still be down if we were in these trades from back here. Did sink quite a lot. Again, we got him kind of near the top, and here was right at the top. Took about 11.5% down for its bounce today. Visa's another one where the awesome oscillator turns to green. First bar there. Alright, well at least we are above water with our open trades at the moment. And if we can get some more green in the market, we should see some of these second wise man signals develop. A lot of them turning green for the first bar today, so 2 days time, what's that, Thursday? Could see some good potential trades go down, but we've got to see the momentum continue throughout the week. See how it's getting on tomorrow. Day 50 and 8. Bit of good news, bit of bad news. Let's start with the bad. A couple lost trades, of course. Throw these ones on the bonfire. 3M, that got knocked out for just shy of $200. Has since pushed back up quite nicely, making a bit of a bullish divergent candle again, actually, but I don't know about jumping straight back in. We'll see if we get a second wise man there. Home Depot, same thing. We are seeing another bullish divergent candle, but we just got knocked out, and I also botched the risk on this one. So we really took a bath. $500 lost. Volume should have been 14 instead of 40. Let's have a look at the good though. Coca-Cola green day did dip back beneath our entry price, but since the open, push. And same with the Dow Jones. Did take a drop, but didn't knock the stop loss. Now looks like it's going to close around about yesterday's close, so not much movement there. Still to the good by around about $450. What about the others? United Health Group pushes again. Almost would have put our trade back in profit now. Good day for them, 2.5% there. Dow Inc. is giving us a bullish divergent bar, quite a drop off since yesterday's close, up 4.5%, but it has bounced back since, so yeah, let's get one down for this. Going to try and get the entry price and the stop loss a little bit wider, trying to give ourselves a bit more of a chance, a little bit more room. Still going with 0.2% for a first wise man. We are going to get another trade down for Disney as well. I do have faith that this one's going to go higher. Been on a long downward cycle, and we're seeing a bullish divergent bar. Let's give it a try, try to make it a little bit wider, so not immediately above the high or stop loss immediately beneath the low. And it is a second green bar on the awesome oscillator as well, so we might be getting a second wise man signal tomorrow. Let's look forward to that. Alright, so we did get a couple new stop trades down. If we could just get back to all-time highs on Disney, around about an extra 113%, that'd be looking pretty sweet for us. We would make back a killer amount of money. Maybe. Day 59. Still going okay. A little bit of a raise on the Dow, not too much, but we'll take a little. And Coca-Cola green again. This is promising at the moment. We're going to move this stop loss up, put it just below this fourth candle here. Hopefully we can keep on trading that. Does look like we've lost the signal on the Dow Inc. company, so we're going to remove that one off. There it goes. Walt Disney hasn't gone through the stop loss, so we'll just let that one ride. In fact, we are seeing a second wise man signal here. I say let's go for it. Stick a 1% risk on that one. So what we'll do is just change this buy stop order that's already on here, and we'll crank up the risk, chuck it down there. So it's got 1.2% risk on it, all in this trade from both the signals we've received. Pretty close to getting in as well. See what happens there. And we'll check the others. Hopefully some more second wise man signals have come into fruition. Here's one for Visa, 1% risk. And it was a very volatile day today, so it's going to be a wide stop loss to start us out. That's not a bad thing, or hopefully it's not a bad thing. Some of these tight stop losses we've had just below the low of the candle really haven't worked out well for us, so we are looking for that little bit extra. Microsoft here as well, second wise man again. The close of the candle does look like it's going to be right by the high, so we've tried to put it a couple dollars up. Set that down. American Express, another one comes through, even though it was a red day. Down goes another one. Nice to see. We do have Apple, and I'm going to be happy to set one down here. So 5 potential trades to get into. American Express, Apple, Microsoft, Walt Disney, and Visa. You gotta believe there's some potential out there, but the macro situation is still not good. Pending to see if a recession comes in quite a few countries. But hey, we got the Coca-Cola company. We're buying them. So hopefully that is going to push us up and away. Back tomorrow. Day 60, finally a strong day on the Dow, and overall looking really good for us. Wish we'd have gone with a second wise man signal here in the end. Would have got in quite nice, but we did botch the risk, so we're already in for probably about a 1.5% risk or so. So didn't want to slam it too much down, but we can trail this stop loss off. And there it is, very nice. Apple, we got into that one, we're only about $60 up or so, but we are in it. Coca-Cola, that was a nice push, and we can look at a second wise man signal here. It might not be the best because it has pushed quite a bit, but we will have a wide stop loss at least. Let's move that one up a little bit. Down goes another 300 on the volume. It has served us well so far, Coca-Cola, so let's put some trust in it to get us even further. Microsoft, we are in there too, up a bit, around about $350, and looking like it could go smoothly. Disney, we are in there again, only a little bit up, but that's okay. Visa, that had a very punchy day, had dropped down, but in the afternoon session and evening now, right up at the high there, and a very nice $440 profit so far. The only one we didn't get into was American Express, but maybe we will be by the end of the video. You can see it flashed green down here actually there. So it is incredibly close to getting us in. Let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, very close indeed. Let's see about those others. And that Merck trade would have got nicer and nicer. It's our own fault. We got absolutely smashed out on the trade here, so it put us off getting into this one. But that was the true divergent bar, and since then, 10% up. Yikes, what could have been? What a boost for Goldman Sachs, near enough 8%. Yep, and we did just get into that American Express trade, so that's another one we're good for. And we will leave it like that. Almost 3% gain on the Dow today, a genuine move, but it could just be a retracement on a real bear market with much more pain to come. It does give us some faith though that these buy trades could make a move. Just keep running with it next week. For now, let's check out the journal. Well, from the journal, things that didn't get better this week. We did still have to suck it up for another 2 losing trades, 3M and Home Depot. So that is leaving us $700 thereabouts down from where we started the week. And once again, all we're left hoping for is this potential. Many trades open, so if the market does want to actually make a move, we're ready to go with it. This is how we felt previously though on the last retracement. Got into a lot of trades, but there they are, a sea of red. We only walked away with that McDonald's profit, very meager compared to everything else. Anything can happen. Back on Monday.